Going on a road trip. Let's rent a car. We're driving to California. We got a big minivan to fit our whole family. Look at this thing. It's so big and spacious. And the whole process took 15 minutes. I have an event to go to tonight and my friend just texted me. So we made a pit stop at the gas station. I got all my goodies. Let's make some lunch for my friend. I found some salami and cheese and some crackers. I'm gonna lay these down and make a rose. We laid them down, folded in half, and now we're gonna roll it. So cute and so easy. You can do this anywhere. I'm adding our crackers in. I had to get some chicken and cheese taquitos. Gas station taquitos are my favorite. I found these pickled carrots and they just look so yummy. I love pickled things. Hopefully my friend does too. I also found some mandarin oranges. Lastly, mango habanero candy and some corn nuts with tahini. I finished it off with some cute food pics and ta-da! We made it safely. Let's go give it to her. Oh my god, thank you! I think she liked it.